Hey there, thanks for coming by. My name is Isa and I'm excited to show you this tutorial on how you can create the most modern online ordering and delivery system for your restaurant, just like this one, but customized to your restaurant's needs with your logo, styles, and your product catalog. And you don't need to have any prior knowledge in coding whatsoever. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you what you should expect from this tutorial. And I promise you, this is going to be the most easiest online tutorial that you have ever done. Too good to be true? Let me better show you everything. How about we just get started? Here is an example of an online store that we're going to create, but you will be able to brand it to your restaurant's needs with your logo, with your colors, with your cover image, and you will populate it with your product catalog. Then I will show you how you can customize each item in your catalog, for example, by giving options to your customers to select different sizes, select add-ons with images or without images, making it very user intuitive for your customers to check out. Once they check out, they can select either pick up or delivery order if they want to collect it at your restaurant or they want to order delivery. And at the checkout, at the final step, I'll show you how to create discount codes that your customers can use, vouchers if you want to offer any. They can leave tip to your restaurant and leave a note, a message to a restaurant, for example, no onions in my burger. Finally, they will be able to select time as soon as possible or a certain time in future. And since many people today use their mobile devices to place orders, our store is going to be stunning and well adapted to mobile screens, as you can see it here in the example. We'll configure our store to accept all kinds of payment methods, or the payment methods that are the most relevant in your country where your restaurant operates, such as PayPal, card payments, Maestro, Visa, or whatever card that you have, Google Pay, Apple Pay, all types of wallets. And once customer places the order, they will get an SMS with a link to track live the status of their order, as you can see on this screen. And on restaurant side, we're going to be using this free orders taking app so that when we receive orders, we're going to be always notified, and the person responsible at the restaurant will be accepting the orders, setting the time, and keeping our operations running smooth on the restaurant side, and at the same time keeping our customers up to date with the status of their orders. And by the way, optionally, you can also connect this app to receipt printers to print the incoming orders receipts if that is necessary for your business. Finally, I'm going to show you how you can master your delivery operations. We're going to set delivery regions on the map where you want to accept your delivery orders, and we're going to configure our operating times and days. And as a top-notch delivery business, we're going to use these free delivery apps to equip our couriers. What these driver apps going to do is, first of all, keep our delivery operations running smoothly, keeping our couriers informed about the incoming new delivery orders and when they should start the delivery. And most importantly, it's going to build the most intelligent routes, batching several orders in a single trip, and step-by-step guide our couriers so that they won't make any mistakes while delivering. In the meantime, keeping our end customers up to date with the live order tracking and the location of the courier delivering their food. And lastly, as a bonus to this video, I'm going to show you how we can generate a styled, nice QR code after scanning which your customer is going to land on your web shop to place an order. And believe it or not, to achieve it all, we're going to use a single service called Droof. This is a German company that provides all the modern tools and technology to operate your online store and delivery business, to accept different kind of payments, to run your logistics, to run your couriers, and keep up to date your customers on the status of their orders. Go on to this link. I'm going to leave it also here in the comments, and we can get started.